If you've tried DNSFilter or any other DNS-based content filtering provider, you may have run across the SSL certificate error page as seen here in Google Chrome. This is to be expected of any DNS-based provider, but it's easily remedied. DNS-based content filtering is one of the most effective ways to seamlessly and easily protect your users from security threats and undesirable content. It just takes a few steps to set it up right. So in order to solve this issue, once you're logged into the DNSFilter dashboard, you're going to want to navigate to the Tools menu. Here, all the instructions that you need are listed right here on the page. You can either deploy through a mobile device management system, or for those who don't have it, just follow the instructions. You essentially choose your operating system, and we even allow you to be able to copy these instructions so that you can put them in an email and send them to your users. Just for example, the email can go out with these instructions, and it contains a secure download link for your users, which makes deployment super easy for any of those of you who don't operate a mobile device management system. So that's really it. Deploying SSL certificates for a more seamless experience is obviously real easy with DNSFilter. So hopefully you found this helpful, and we'll see you in the next video.